What are some of the reasons why organizations would choose to move to WebEx calling?
Well, I think there's a lot of reasons why an organization may want to move to the cloud or to WebEx calling specifically. And the biggest one is the agility of the platform. What we can do is we can offer customers the ability to move to some of the newer services we're offering, like WebEx Go or Customer Experience Essentials to help with new contact center call flows, or the AI enhancements we're making, things like transcriptions and call summaries and action items and those sort of features that'll be coming fast and furious with the cloud. And with the prem, some of those things like the AI features are just really hard to do on prem, and some of the other ones will hit prem eventually, but the agility of getting them up and running is a lot slower. And then just to get on a modern interface is a big key of what we're trying to do. So a lot of good reasons, but those are some of the key ones.
What are some of the challenges they face while migrating?
The biggest thing is a lot of people just think that the migration should just be straightforward and easy to do, plug and play, kind of a cut and paste, copy the old environment, move it to the new. And that's really not the case. There's a lot of things that have to be considered even though both UCM and WebEx calling are both Cisco products, they both came from very different heritages. And so the format of one versus the other and how things like pickup group works in one versus pickup group in the other are oftentimes very different, and that migration is not straightforward. And that's where Kurmi kind of comes in helping is helping manage those sort of challenges. And I'll talk to that, I'm sure, in a few minutes.
What has your experience been like working with Kurmi?
We've had a really good relationship with Kurmi over the last few years, several years. Especially, we've kind of been watching Kurmi grow up and become a player within our customer base and to service some of our larger customers. And then it became really important for us when we decided to exit the management business, the prime collaboration business, analytics and provisioning, especially provisioning from a Kurmi perspective. Kurmi worked with us really nicely. They came in, they offered some solutions. They have worked with our customers that are transitioning off those platforms onto the Kurmi platform. And Kurmi just offers a really nice solution that is easy to manage, it's clean, it's a modern interface that can do that. And then recently, Kurmi's just pairing up and thinking about the migration challenge of being able to walk into a customer and turn on the management services and to have a customer be comfortable with that. Because one of the challenges of a customer that's migrating is that they have to go from a management framework that is in UCM based to a management framework that's within WebEx calling, and those are different. And so not only does Kurmi help us do the migration, move a hunt group to a hunt group from one environment to the other, but it also helps in managing those environments where I can have a consistent management framework throughout. And especially customers that are doing not a flash cut, but migration for various groups over time, that interface really takes the pain out, and it also gives a consistent experience throughout the whole migration period instead of disjointed experiences with learning curves throughout. So that's one of the key reasons why Kurmi has been so valuable.